Oh! Where are we? Cadillac event?
We're in the Culture House. I've never heard of the Culture House.
Oh, Culture House. I wonder what brand we're checking out today. Let's check it out. يا مرحبا مرحبا حبيبي بديتك يا اخي يو اي اكسل فولو هيم اكسل صح ولا؟ ها ولا؟ اوكي on Instagram. ها نسيت حسابك؟
Ali? Why are there so many bottles of water on the table?
Product placement. Cadillac waters.
حاطين الضحكة؟
ولا لا man I like it.
Take the
sugar one. Maroon. In we go.
هذا GoPro. هلو GoPro.
Hello.
عزيزان.
How are you?
شطورك؟
شطورك انت؟ لا انت. وجهك انت.
Yeah. What are we, groceries here?
Oh, and it's organic lanyard.
Sorry, your card's been declined. I'll do it afterwards. Don't worry.
Wait a minute now. Wait a minute now.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you, sir. We love you. Hugs and kisses. XOXO.
You sing? These guys, always in our business, man.
Just leave us alone.
Just leave us
Damn.
alone. We're trying to connect the Bluetooth.
Make contact the car.
Make it.
Make it.
Headphone.
Make it or break it.
Make
it.
Ali?
Yeah. So
The seating position.
it is the best seating position I have ever experienced in a car this size.
Yes. It is amazing.
I love it. It's
love
so
it so
comfortable. It's big. It's thick boy friendly.
Very thick boy friendly.
By the way, not even the Escalade is this good.
I need to comment on the steering wheel.
I love how this is all. It's metal. It's chrome. It has a really nice feel to it, and this is a jump. And then the heck inside here, okay. And the roof lining. The roof lining.
Also.
Finally.
Carbon fiber.
The carbon fiber is gorgeous. It is gorgeous.
Oh.
And I love how the color fades. You can see the color fades from black to gold.
There's a fade right here.
Don't touch my face.
A few moments later.
عيد اللي قلته.
اخوي للبيع.
للبيع 2000 كاش.
بس مصبوغ يا ريال.
How's the seating position, Ahmed?
Amazing.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Ooh, I like the stitching. I likes it.
Which one, Nick?
So, okay, now I need him to drive first, and then we'll know the thoughts on the car.
Thoughts!
Ahmed, now that you drove it for a little bit,
Yes,
what do you
sir,
think?
yes.
Tell me.
Joof, seating positions is the best I have ever seen in this kind of car. That's number one. Number two, it is a punchy car.
It is. Very,
Gas is like very...
like you feather it and...
Yeah, it just goes, which is
Yeah.
nice. Okay, this needs time getting used to.
This?
Needs time getting used to.
Okay.
Insane. But I think with time I will like it. But right now I'd rather have, the normal.
Yeah, because you're not used to it.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Okay, what else?
I really like the fading
The carbon fiber.
on the carbon fiber.
Mhm.
Okay. I am so happy that Cadillac got rid of that capacitive touch bullshit for the
Yeah.
volume.
Yeah.
Because you'll be sliding your finger up and down the goddamn fucking what do you call it, dashboard, and you'll be raising the AC somehow.
Yeah.
It's like, god damn it.
But now they made it into
But
a
now
knob.
there's an actual knob.
Like the knob you are.
Also, this sound system. Like if you look at the what do you call it?
Bose.
No, look next to it. Something performance. I can't really read it.
Performance series.
Yes, exactly.
It's Bose.
It's next level.
Okay, it is. What is the best sound system you ever heard?
The Bose Panerai.
Panerai on the Cadillac XT6,
Yes,
and
sir.
this is a very close second.
Also,
Yeah.
one of my favorite features in this car.
What?
The phone slot. See?
Yeah. No, do that again. Do that again. And yeah, and it's wireless charging,
Yes.
which is awesome.
It's perfect. It just sits there. It doesn't fucking slide about. And you don't have
Okay.
to stuff it somewhere.
Yeah.
You know?
It's actually perfect. Exactly. It's easy
really,
access
really
as well. Over to the Sport. Oh, it's got wood. It's got. Wait, I think. Which one's the Sport? I'm confused. Matt?
Oh.
Okay, so this has wood. This has really nice. Yeah. Okay. Adjust the seats.
لا.
We are done. So we just had an amazing lunch. That was a great lunch actually. And Hassan al
Yeah, what we need to say.
Yeah.
The cars, when we came to this launch, we were a bit skeptic on what we were going to be in.
Yes.
But we were very, very, very pleasantly surprised. But we were going to take the car for longer to actually be able to tell properly. Because well done, Cadillac.
Well done indeed. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, do the whole thing. Bell, that stuff.
Also, we need to thank the person who got us.
Yes, thank you so much. God bless you.
Because what happened was we randomly came home.
Yeah.
And we found a box sitting outside our house.
No,
with
we
these hats.
didn't randomly come home. I randomly came home. So yeah.
تعال حسن تعال.
يا هلا. يا مرحبا. امشي.
اهلي تشوفوني
اهلا وسهلا.
Thank you for watching.
اسلم على اهل
زين يلا
Okay. يا مرحبا.
يلا بس
Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for everything.
Wait, did you tell him بتسكر؟
خلص.
خلاص. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.